Steam cleaning is a unique and powerful tool in the field of industrial hygiene. Whether you're removing grease, oil, sugar, or any other heavy-duty contaminant, our range of environmentally friendly and operationally flexible solutions act fast and efficiently while removing germs and bacteria. For over 35 years, we've been taking steam cleaning to all new levels. Book a demo today to see the difference our systems can make to your facility.